Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I was just making some bioenzyme dishwashing liquid for my personal use. So I thought of sharing the making with you all. Many people have been asking how my bioenzyme dishwashing liquid doesn't become slimy and sticky, and it has a very good gel texture. So today I'll show you all the process of making. Now these are a bit advanced formulations, so these will be covered only during the workshops. For those who are interested in learning how to make these and commercially sell them, or any other skincare products you all would like to learn to make and sell, you all can WhatsApp me on the number that's given in the description box. I take workshops and I teach how to make these products. So we'll quickly start with the making of this bioenzyme liquid dishwashing. Here I have my surfactants. I have taken a blend of surfactants here, and these are all coconut based, sugar based, all natural surfactants. So we are not using any chemical based surfactants for this dishwashing liquid. This is all very safe on the hands. So for those who get any type of rashes after using the regular dishwashing liquid, this is something which will never give you that problem. So here I have taken my blend of surfactants, and here I have taken my distilled water, and I have added some sorbitol in this just to give it a very good conditioning effect, because we have a blend of a lot of surfactants which could cause a little dryness to the hands. So now what we will do is we will quickly go ahead and add this water phase into our surfactant phase. This is a gel liquid that we are going to be making today, and there is no heating involved in this. So now I'm just going to leave my water soaked into this surfactant base till everything gets combined well and we get one complete mixture, and then I will proceed with how we need to add our bioenzymes. Okay, so now our water has completely combined with our surfactant, and it looks something like this. It has a beautiful viscosity, but this is going to become a clear gel. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add our bioenzyme here. Now this is a bioenzyme which I have made at home. Even you get it available in any shop. You can buy it from outside or make it at home. Now bioenzyme is something which has all the enzymes necessary to kill the germs, bacteria from your dishes and give you a very clean and clear vessels once you wash it. So this is very effective. You don't need to add anything, any other cleanser in your dishwashing liquid. So I'm going to go ahead and add this bioenzyme liquid in this. And since bioenzyme is a natural preservative in itself, this is again a preservative free product. We don't need to add any preservative to this. Now I have taken a little bit of fragrance in this, little bit of lemon fragrance, and I have added that in this, and we'll give this a good gentle mix. Now after this mixes, I'll just show you all how the solution looks. Okay, so I've gone ahead and combined my bioenzyme along with the lemon fragrance which I have put, and you all can see how beautifully this is combined and how lovely, thick and viscous this gel is. Now we only have to wait for the gel to completely clear off and become a nice transparent gel. So for this we are just going to leave this as it is for a couple of hours, and once this becomes transparent, I will show you all the final look of this bioenzyme dishwash. Okay, so now I have kept this gel for around a couple of hours to clear off, and this is how clear our gel looks. And if you see the viscosity of this gel, it has a beautiful thick viscosity, and it is equally gentle, mild cleansing for your utensils as well. So those of y'all who would like to learn how to make these are very expensive to buy out in the market. So whoever would be interested in learning how to make these, y'all can WhatsApp me for my workshop details. And if you like what I share with y'all, if you want me to share more such videos with y'all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share the channel as well. Thank you so much everyone.